Let's just imagine that we are acting, and I'll be a daughter and you'll be a father. So kind of act like you are a father, with all of that passion. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, so I'll start. The dialogue is called driver's license. All right, let's start. Guess what? I got it.
great, that's super. What's going on? So what did you get me?
Nothing. I got my driver's license. Okay, bye.
Wait, where are you going?
Mom said I could take the car to school this morning. And
Hold on here, I prepared a few rules regarding to use of the motor vehicles in this house.
like what?
Let me get my nose here.
Dad, that looks like a book. Mom, Dad's being mean to me.
Okay, let me get my reading glasses here. Okay, here we are. Rule number one, no driving with friends for the first 6 months.
What?
Teenagers often lack of judgment to drive responsibly, especially when several teachers are involved. I mean, they speed, they joyride, they cruise around town way past midnight.
That's not me. Do I really need this lecture? This is such a drag.
Furthermore, who really needs a car when a pair of shoes will work? I mean, life is different when I was young, at your age. In fact, I used to walk to school.
Yeah, I know. Both ways uphill in 10 feet of snow. I've heard this story many times.
Yeah, oh, where were we? Oh, yes, rule number two. You always must wear your seatbelt and obey the rules of the road.
Duh, I wasn't born yesterday.
Okay, rule number three. You can drive long distance at night because you might get drowsy and drive off the road. But driving to a movie theater is fine.
But the movie theater is right across the street from our house.
Exactly, so we can just park in the driveway and walk there.
Mom, Dad's being unreasonable.
And rule number four, you should never use a cell phone while driving. That could cause an accident.
But you do.
That's different.
How is it different? You even need my help to turn your cell phone on.
And rule number five, remember that I love you and I'm just a protective father who wants his daughter to always be safe.
Does that mean I can take the car now?
Well, I don't know.
Please, Dad, please. You're the best dad in the whole wide world.
That's not what you said earlier.
Hey, having the car keys in my hands changes the whole perspective on life.
Well, okay, I guess if I'm considered the best dad in the world for 5 minutes, then I'll accept that.
Yeah.
But drive carefully and don't forget to fill up the car with gas before you get home.
Bye. Love you guys.
Okay, do you think I did the right thing? She has to grow up sometime.
Thank you. That was awesome. Okay, let's read vocabulary and sample sentences.
Sure, right, verb. Take a car without permission and drive it around for pleasure, sometimes in a reckless way. Each teenager who relies and violates other laws, they will be arrested and charged. Cruise, verb. Drive a car around the area with no particular destination in mind. A lot of youth cruise the streets downtown at night. Lecture, a long serious talk often used to criticize, but always gives me a lecture about the way I drive, and I don't like it at all. Drag, noun, something that is really annoying. Driving with my parents is such a drag because they're backseat drivers, always telling me what to do. Duh, interjection. Used to say what someone else said isn't necessary because it's just common sense. So you're saying she's going to lose her license if she drinks and drives? No, duh, everyone knows that. Drowsy, adjective, sleepy. You need to pull the car over and rest if you start to feel drowsy. Hun, short for honey, used to address someone you love. Do you mind driving now? I'm feeling a little drowsy.
Thanks a lot. Now, I have a game for you. You can think of a word and you can tell me the meaning of this word. And I have to guess which word you have thought of. For example, drowsy. I'm thinking about drowsy. And I'm saying, this is when the person feels like he or she wants to sleep, to feel sleepy. And you're saying, oh, it's drowsy. And I'm like, yeah, you're right.
Okay.
You're the first, and then I will do that, and then you again.
Okay, this is a place where people go after graduating college.
University?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm gonna be next.
Okay.
All right. So that's actually a long talk to criticize or just to tell information.
Is it a lecture?
Yes, that's right. Okay, you're gonna be next.
Drive a car around an area with no particular destination in mind.
That's to cruise.
Yes.
Okay, so that is something sweet that we eat, but we also name a person with that
Honey.
thing. Okay. Okay, you're next.
Okay. Something that is really annoying.
My neighbors. Okay, I'm joking. Drag.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be the next. You're making fun while you're driving.
Joyride.
Okay.
Okay, so
Nouns. Nouns would be great. Or adjectives.
a period of 30-ish days.
A month.
Yes.
So this is an action when you have to follow the rules.
Obey.
Okay. Okay. You're the next.
A place where you watch movies.
A movie theater.
Yes.
Okay. Now it's my turn. Um, to care for someone who you love and just to
Worry about.
be, yeah, so to worry about this person and to care too much. To be, that's an adjective. So,
Protective.
yes,
An action you do to get paid.
you work, to work.
Yes. Yes.
So, thank you very much for your work today. And I hope that our listeners and our viewers will benefit from it. They will learn new words because we have read quite a lot today, and I hope they will learn new vocabulary and they will be able to speak. What do you think would be the best advice for people to practice English and to improve their English? What would you say?
Use English in those parts of your life which is mostly common to you.
Okay, like hobbies, like sports, right?
Hobbies, movies, cereals. Yeah, eat
It's
English cereals. TV shows and music, probably.
a lot of people say that learning English is very difficult or quite difficult. Do you
It's
agree
not.
with that statement?
I
Okay.
don't.
Why isn't it difficult?
Because it is, like, for me, it's much more easier than Russian or Ukrainian language. Yes, and grammar is very easy there in English, and punctuation is like super easy.
And how often do you use your English? Do you use it every day or every other day or once a week, once a month?
I rarely speak English in Ukraine because there's only you to speak with. Yes, and I sometimes watch movies or TV shows in English.
Do you use subtitles when you watch the movies?
Actually, I do English subtitles. Yeah.
I love English subtitles too. What would you say to people who are afraid to learn English, who feel like that it's too complicated for them?
If you're afraid to learn English, try to learn Ukrainian first. Ладно, можно, пожалуйста, это вырезать?
Супер! Вообще спасибо, класс! Ну ты, конечно, молодец. Ты даешь. And that's probably it. Ilusha, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate that a lot. And I think that you have helped me personally, and you have helped hundreds of people all over the world as well. Because with your approach, yeah, I think learning English is going to be easier than ever before. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, bye.
Bye.